Breaker Broke 23. So I just got off work, came and checked the P.O. box, and we're going to do a little unboxing video here. I've got a couple things coming, so I'm not quite sure what this is. It just came from Amazon Fulfillment. So let's see what this is. Actually, I think I have 3 things coming this week. And oh, look at this, a Blue Me HD. Okay, well, so another company came to me and wanted me to do a review. Now, I'm fairly picky on who I review for, just because I don't want this channel to be full of a bunch of Chinese garbage. And I've seen these around. I've actually had a couple of them, actually more than a couple, quite a few, being sold on Amazon on my influencer page. And I've been kind of watching this company a little bit, and I was going to buy one of these, oh geez, like last February or so, and I just didn't. But anyway, they got a hold of me, wanted me to check one of these out, so we'll see. All right, the Blue Me HD. Oh, awesome. All right, got left and right RCA, and they're correct. Left is really left and right is really right. On some of these, I've been seeing them flipped around. Got optical output, mini USB in for power only, little fold down antenna, and an on-off switch. Okay, well this is cool. I like that. That's metal. Well, it's aluminium, depending on which side of the pond you're on. So, ooh, this is kind of cool. All right. You know, decent quality feeling RCA, but we all know about these. I'm gonna guess that's probably, I don't know, 5-foot mini USB. The 3.5 millimeter to RCA converter. All right, that's kind of cool. Where's the other end of this plug? The other end, the 3.5 to 3.5. Well, I guess you don't need it with this. Comes with an AC adapter. I like that. Cool. And some little silicone feeties. Does it not have feeties on it? No, it does not. So, owner applied. All right, cool. All right, well, you know the deal, guys. We're going to put it through its paces for about a week, and I'll let you know how I like it. So, yeah. The Aorus Blue Me HD. Pretty cool. All right, well, stay tuned. I'll do a review on that. Thanks for watching.